for the moment, there is experiments that prove we can produce food without using chemicals, but it's limited to very small experiments because it requires a lot of human resources. And then we are developing some intelligent robots that are able to do what the human cannot do at large scale. So we are working at Inrae, and we are working in a unit that provide some algorithm in order to make robots work together and make robots work efficiently and accurately with discrimination on the different type of plants. So here at FIRA we came with 2 robots. So we have 2 types of robots, one coming from Sabi Agri, which is an electrical tractor that can be automated, and one from agriculture, which is a caterpillar robot. And our job is to make them collaborate and to achieve a complete agricultural work. So they are communicating using Wi-Fi, and they can change their behavior depending on where they are in the field. So they can detect plants and navigate autonomously in the plants. They can follow a trajectory using GPS, and they are able to commute from one behavior to the other depending on the situations. And finally, they are coordinating themselves by sending each other the relative positions, and each robot adapts the velocity, so the speed of each robot are regulated in order to keep formation control.